Hello everyone, Jorge Huertas once again with all of you. Today I'm gonna show you what is and how to make a undercover observation. This video is also available in Spanish. Well, this is a tool of recollection and analysis. It got the following characteristics. Allows to collect and analyze information through an observation in which the person being analyzed does not know it's being observed. It was created to analyze the real behavior of a person without influence their perception of what is going on. The tool can be used in the definition and testing stages of a project developed with the design thinking methodology or any other agile methodology. To be able to develop this tool correctly, you must be very discreet and not be discovered by the person or group of people who are being analyzed. The success of this tool is in the insight produced by the collection of information. The components are select group, logistics, way of recollect, and insight. Okay, so when you're gonna do your undercover observation, the first thing that you have to do is the selection of the group. I strongly recommend to use focus group to know which kind of people are you going to analyze. Is it gonna be a group with the specific characteristics? Is it just gonna be an individual? It's very important to know which kind of people are you going to analyze. Or even though it can be a group of animals, depending of the kind of project that you are doing. Also, it's very important to know what are you want to find out. Okay, you're gonna do an undercover observation for what? What is the purpose? You have to have that very clear before you start developing. And of course, define what are the components and what are the situations that you want to know. After you select your group, it's very important to know how are you going to recollect the information. Is it gonna be by photo or video? Are you gonna make a sketch? It's very important to know that. Also, the discretion that you use to do that is very important. If a person find out that you are looking at them, they are going to start acting different. That's why, for example, when in TV you see someone that is being interviewed, they always want to be very polite. They always want to have a politically correct answer. However, when they don't know they are being watched, they act like they really are. So that is why the undercover observation and the discretion is so important. Also, it's very important to have enough data. So it can be an hour of video, it can be 30 sketches. It's really up of the kind of project and the kind of information that you want to know to find out. So the data is the main thing, but the data can be recollect in different ways. It's really up to you and the kind of information that you want to know. After that, after you find out that kind of information, you have to know the logistics. And the logistics are very important to keep you undercover. Where is it gonna be the place that you're going to collect the information? How much time are you gonna take doing that? How is the interaction between all the components in the group? Is it gonna be individual? Is it gonna be group? Also, it's very important to make a program about all of that. If you are gonna do this by yourself, okay, you have to know all the timeline and where it's supposed to be. However, is it gonna be in a group? You need to organize all the components and all the people in that situation to know how is it the interaction with the community, what they do, and all of that is very important. And always remember, you have to keep yourself and your group undercover. So the person or the group of people that is being analyzed act like they really are. Finally, the insight. Okay, so you already have all your data, you make the recollection. You need to analyze and have a clear result. Why? Because you have to take decisions. Okay, you make an undercover observation for a reason. You want to know something, but you need to analyze that and have a clear result. That's what we call an insight. In that situation, you evaluate all the information that you collect and you choose what to do next. We have to make a new statement, we have to make a new analysis, or what we are doing is correct. What are you going to do with that? As a conclusion, we can say that at the end of the developing the undercover observation, you should analyze the information collected and evaluate the attitude and response of the people to the situation that you are evaluating. With the insight generated by the recollection, it must be decided what to do regarding the project that is being developed. The key in the development of this tool is the collect of the information without people knowing that they are being analyzed and evaluate the real behavior that they are having. Thank you very much. I hope this video will be a big help in your development. Please subscribe to our channel Design Thinking 24/7. Follow us on social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Thank you to all of you. We are the #1 channel in YouTube in design thinking and all the agile methodologies. Remember, on Monday we'll always have a new video in Spanish. On Thursday we always have a new video in English. Thank you so much and we'll see you next time.